The Tetronics TAS 455 oscilloscope, introduced in 1993, is a precision instrument for capturing and analyzing electrical signals. Designed to run on 250 volts AC, its accuracy and robust performance make it an indispensable tool for engineers and technicians. Motorola L73 JJB11900 CM receiver manufactured in 1995 in the USA, the Motorola L73 JJB11900 CM receiver is built for reliable signal reception. Operating on a 12-volt DC power supply and featuring a 6 decibel antenna, it is a trusted solution for diverse communication needs.